Hello, everybody. It's Rev Jen. How are you doing today? Well, I hope. I'm going for a walk. This is the fourth storm that we've had here in Bath, Maine. As you can see, it does look beautiful. I look around. Just gives it that, beautiful effect, quiet effect. Because I have to be careful with the cars, because there's still cars coming around, even though most of the time it's just very quiet around here. I'm not sure how far I'm going to walk because it is snowing and it is windy, and I am using my camera and I really don't want it to get wet. But look how pretty it looks. Look at the snow falling down. Look at these old homes in the 1800s. Just makes it so pretty to look at. Right now I'm going downhill. You can see by looking, and I also have to be careful that I don't slip. And also I have to watch out for cars as well, because right now they're going downhill. So, I have to be careful. But look how pretty. Snow looks beautiful when it first falls down. It really, really does. And it's so quiet and serene. You can hear a pin drop. Actually, you can actually hear the snowflakes falling down. Have a peaceful day, everyone. Bye.